Hey guys, this is Rebecca in this video. Today we're going to be eating honeycomb. So yeah, Israel and Isaac. Where's the camera? It's on. Open it. It bit my skin back. It's bleeding like a centimeter. That girl that thinks she's cool on YouTube. She'll let. Oh my god, you're so embarrassing. You can't open it fast. It goes so slow. Let me do the rest. I got it. Okay. What's up? It just opened when I ripped it. Okay, let me see that. We need to put it on here. No, not the whole thing, stupid. We need a spatula. I'm cutting it. It's mine. It's not yours. We both. Dude, you've been doing the whole video. What? Cut smaller pieces. You get me to pop. I'm gonna pop one. No, I'm just gonna pop one. Cut the whole piece. That's yours. Let me lick it. Cut smaller pieces right down the line. For both of us? That's small. I'm saving the rest for our whole family. No? Okay, yeah. But look at me if you can. So satisfying. I'm just kidding. Alright, now take it out. Let me take it out. Let me take my piece. Yeah. It's right there. Shut the rest so that it doesn't leak. Alright, watch out. Let me cut it. So, I'm keeping the rest of that. Put it over Come on. Alright, ready? Let me put it over here. Ready, guys? You heard that? Oh, that sounds so... I'm cutting. I get the bigger piece because my... Alright, ready? Look how small piece. It is slowly, ready? No, I call the small piece. Okay, I'll take the big one. You're not supposed to eat it. You're supposed to chew it. That's what Lily said. Wait, get down. Leave that right there. No, put it back. Okay. Right there. Ready? No. Alright, ready? Isaac, get go. Good. We need to share cereal. That's disgusting. I hate it. Oh my god, what am I going to do? The sink's right here, just so you know. I don't like that. Just spit it out. The wax is messy, but the needle is good. I'm gonna do this again. Cause like we didn't. Oh gosh, it wasn't an ASMR. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, it's disgusting. So good. That was good. Okay, I'm gonna eat more, so like... I thought you said you weren't wasting it. I got it, your hands are... Okay, it's sticky. Other side. It all retaped. Ready? That was really sour. Alright, let me put it on the camera. Ready? Lift it out of there. Oh, you heard that? Hold back more. Let me cut it. Oh, that looks so satisfying. I get this. Can I just cut little pieces? I'm not gonna open it though. Cut this one, please. Right, just look at this, guys. Ready? Listen, just listen. Shh, just be quiet. Shut up. Mom's gonna get mad. You gotta eat that. Eat it. I'm not eating it. I hate Right away. Right. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna go play Fortnite, guys. Yeah, move. Move out my camera. Okay, I'm gonna go play Fortnite. Peace. Look at that. That's what the wax looks like. Okay. But let me give you guys one more look at Pipernight. Let me give you guys one more look at that. Show it from the top, no? Oh, I'll show you from the side. Camera. Hold on for a second. Sorry, but it's right there. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let me get in the light so you can see. Okay, guys. Smash that like button for our channel because, yeah, we only have 4 subscribers. Please just smash that like button. If you smash that like button, you're going to be part of our YouTube channel family. So please smash that like button and see you in our next video. Bye. Bye.